Every student knows the struggle of maintaining a consistent study routine, and many have experienced the frustration of advancing nowhere despite their efforts. The unsettling truth is that inefficiency, distractions, and a lack of strategy can derail even the brightest minds. When you sit down with your study materials, the drumming of the clock ticks loudly, emphasizing the wasted hours spent without effective learning. This scenario, all too common, is a product of flawed habits and misguided approaches that need urgent correction. Relying solely on motivation is one of the biggest traps. Motivation ebbs and flows, leading to unproductive sessions and procrastination. Instead of waiting for the perfect moment to feel driven, build unwavering discipline by establishing a structured study routine. Design a schedule that incorporates specific times dedicated to studying each day. This consistency transforms studying from a daunting chore into a manageable part of your daily life. In this way, discipline triumphs over fleeting bursts of motivation. Next, the absence of a clear study plan often results in chaos and confusion. Aimlessly flipping through books isn't effective. It's paramount to create a structured roadmap that details what you will study daily. By breaking your goals into smaller, achievable tasks, you will see progress steadily, igniting a sense of accomplishment that fuels further motivation. Equally critical is rethinking how you study. Lengthy, passive sessions are not conducive to effective learning. Short but focused study sprints, such as the Pomodoro technique, can significantly boost your retention by keeping your mind sharp and engaged. Finally, environment plays an essential role in fostering a productive study atmosphere. If your space is inundated with distractions, be it noise or the all-too-tempting smartphone, your focus will suffer tremendously. Create a sanctuary for your studying, free from interruptions and disturbances. Consider utilizing apps that promote focus and minimize digital distractions. The process requires commitment and recalibration at every step, but the rewards of an enhanced study routine are substantial. Soon you will find yourself absorbing material effectively and feeling empowered to tackle even the toughest subjects. By acknowledging these critical elements, you embark on a transformative journey toward smarter, more efficient study habits.